In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect emails on Shopify. Building a strong email list is one of the best ways to turn visitors into repeat customers. We'll set this up using a trusted Shopify app so you can start capturing emails right away. First, log into your Shopify admin. On the left sidebar, open Apps. In the search field, type the name of the email tool we're going to use, Omnisend Email Marketing and SMS. When it appears in the results, open the listing. On the App Store page, click Install. Shopify will show you the permissions the app needs to connect to your store. Review them, then confirm by clicking Install again to approve the connection. After installation, you'll land on a quick onboarding flow. Here, fill in the requested business details. Enter your store's address information exactly as it appears on your invoices and receipts. Accurate address data helps with deliverability and keeps your marketing compliant. Next, provide your first name so the platform can personalize your workspace. Continue through the form and, when asked which email software you currently use, choose Shopify Email. This lets the app tailor recommendations and import basic settings where possible. Complete any remaining fields the setup requests, such as your website URL or business category. If you see a country or region selector, open it and choose Philippines if that's where your business is registered. Select the options that best reflect your situation. You may also see a few checkboxes or toggles related to marketing preferences and legal confirmations. Click through these thoughtfully. Make sure you agree to the terms and verify any consent statements that apply to your store. Taking a moment here prevents issues with compliance frameworks like CAN-SPAM or GDPR. When everything looks correct, proceed and click Get Started. The platform will finalize the connection and take you to the dashboard. At this point, your Shopify store is connected and ready to capture emails through the app's built-in tools. From the dashboard, you can explore pre-built sign-up forms, pop-ups, and embedded fields, and later set up a welcome email to greet new subscribers. Before you publish anything, double-check your sender information, test the form on your storefront, and send a preview email to yourself to confirm delivery. That's it. You've connected a professional email marketing app to Shopify and completed the essentials so you can begin growing your list with confidence.